Hey everybody, oh my gosh, J&A Review, and we're here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. We got a good one, a really good one. It's a 2025 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition, fifth wheel. The model number is 363 VFR, so let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek is 41 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 12,290 pounds and a hitch weight of 2,480 with a GVWR of 14,995 pounds. Wow.
Wow.
This is, okay, I've never seen a middle bunk room like this.
No, you guys are gonna love this one. But hey, let's start up here at the front. This is going to have the MORryde pin box. But if you've ever been interested in trailer hitches, hang around to the end of our video. We would love to share a great product from Proven Industries with you. Now, right up here at the front, we're gonna have really good storage. Of course, your batteries are gonna go in there. You can kind of see some of your pass-through here because you're going to have a net separating it, but we're going to show you this really big pass-through storage here in just a second. Your leveling system is going to be right out here, easy to get to, and it has a door. Now your slides on this one, they are going to be a combination of some cable slides and some rack and pinion slides. Right here is one of your propane tanks. Now, brace yourselves for this, guys. Look at this basement area here.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, you have a light. You've got just all kinds of space in here. Your hookups are going to be over here on the side.
You've got this netting.
Yeah, to separate you from the front. So, wow. Yep, you've got a dump area down here.
Tankless water heater.
A Suburban tankless water heater.
There's
Power there.
Little furnace work right there.
There's another tank area. This is going to have, let me see if I can get in here. Oh, I can't see it from this side. We'll show you from the other side. But, wow.
Frameless windows. Wow.
Yes. Now looking here at the back, of course you have a big window. You do have a ladder. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a towing package down here. 300-pound hitch weight, 3,000-pound towing weight. Just, hey, you're already over 41 feet, so just be careful there.
Tow it.
Outside outlet? Sure, why not? You're going to have a quick connect under here and your spare. Ooh, now, are y'all ready for this?
I have not seen this yet.
You're going to like it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I mean, it's spring right now, but the fall football season is coming, and this is going to be awesome for tailgating. So it does have a seat.
Night.
You've got a, what is this, a 40-inch TV.
TV, yeah.
You have a Bluetooth speaker, USB ports, griddle,
Yeah.
fridge, everything that you could possibly need. Your awnings on this one. This is going to have the armless awning over this, and it's
10-4.
10-4. That's a CB handle.
10-4.
This one is
20.
a traditional electric power awning, and it's 20 feet. Yes, now here is your suspension on this. So you do have the MORryde CRE 3000s and the axle mount exact BAL system. Nice, really nice. Let's show you the other side of your pass-through storage. Again, this is just huge.
All right, this is one of the biggest ones, I think.
It really is. Now, Sporttrek is a venture product, and their parent company is KZ. So if you followed us, you know that we really like the KZ Durangos, and this storage. It's pretty close to the Durangos.
Jeez.
Yeah, here's your other propane tank. All right, guys, you know this one's over 41 feet. So this is another one of those, grab you a snack, grab you something to drink, and let's go in and take a look. Quick look, you see this is going to be a rear living. A little different rear living setup than what we usually see. So hey, let's just go ahead and start at the back. You are going to have your sofa back here that's going to make some additional sleeping.
Yes.
Blackout shades all the way around in here.
Oh, let me raise this one up. You see.
Yeah, so you can see your nice big window. Imagine that at a lake somewhere. Big storage across the top. You're going to have end tables on both sides there's some open storage, and then there's going to be power, and you've got that on both sides. Now your heating is going to be in the floor in these. I love the flooring in these. I kind of like that the industry is getting away from so much gray, but it's still very light in here. Your theater seating, of course, is going to have cup holders, and there's some power there in the middle, or you can flip that up out of the way. It is going to have heat and USB, and then they even give you a little storage right across the top of it. Now, got a big old fan in here. So I'm thinking that you could probably add another AC unit in this one if you would like.
I hope he ain't fixing to hook up to this one.
Yeah, we just saw the guy with the tractor. It's like, oh, please don't hook up to this one while we're in here.
We're going to have a fun time. That's all I'm going to say.
We'll see how well it rides. Yeah, gosh,
Oh my
guys.
gosh.
I mean, you've got all of this storage around your entertainment center.
What was that, 55?
Yeah, yes. So that should be a 55. There is a sound bar. You do have an electric fireplace. Now your giant outside kitchen is behind this, so that gives you some very deep storage across the top. Now over here in your dining area, this is a little bit interesting situation. You have two regular chairs, and then you have these two more like stools. So actually you could bring those out. They do something. Yeah, they come up like the...
okay, they go this way.
Yeah, like the coffee tables.
Yeah.
So you could take the cushion off, pull one of them over here in front of your sofa or theater seat, and use that as a little table.
Yeah.
But you've got plenty of room here for 4 people. Ooh, excuse me, guys. Really nice dining area.
Nice window, too.
Yeah, again, blackout shades, so you can sit there and enjoy your coffee in the mornings.
And they actually give you
a
a light switch.
Love that, love that. So, turning on around into your kitchen. You do have solid surface in here. So you've got this great storage around your, besides your microwave. I'm trying to think, what is that?
That's a microwave.
Solid surface by your stove. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then you've got a nice drawer below that. More storage. Oh, there's your sink drainer there. Something that Venture is wonderful about, they do give you
a little cutting
board. So not only is it decorative, it's actually functional. Now, this island. Ooh, wow. Great area here. Plenty of room for a garbage can.
Yes.
Big single basin sink, pull down faucet, but wait, there's more.
Profile.
You have a dishwasher. And for people who say, I will never use a dishwasher in a camper, that's fine. You can store your plates in there.
Plates in it, yes.
So, I mean, great. And then they pull out and you can get to them. Plug in here. This is some accent lighting, so it's actually going to light up, see there under the sink. Down here at the end, you've got some more storage. This is not really deep storage, but this is going to be great if you take canned items or cereal boxes or macaroni and cheese, stuff like that.
Not really big enough to put my coffee.
Not quite big enough for a coffee maker, unless you have a really slim model. But you could put some tacos on there.
But that was what I was looking at. If you put it here, there is a plug-in under there.
Plug in up under there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You do have a side-by-side fridge. I don't know if we showed that or not, but
Oh, I probably didn't.
yeah, nice fridge here.
Ah, you see one fridge, you see them all.
Yeah. You open the door, the light comes on. Ta-da!
Woo.
All right, but now here's something that makes this particular unit different than what
Really
we have
different.
ever seen. Now, I know people say, well, I've seen middle bunk rooms before. Well, this one's a little bit different. Yes, you have 2 bunks. Yes, they're about twin size. They're going to hold 250 pounds apiece. You've got some storage up here, but then look. Your washer and dryer hookup is in here. So, these bunks are completely removable. You just undo those latches, and you can actually take the bunks completely out. So they come completely out.
Completely out.
So if you need to add a desk in here for to work from the road, you can do that. You can have just one bunk in here. You can take them out completely. Let this be your laundry room.
Laundry room. That's what I was just thinking. Wow.
Yeah, so this is most definitely a functional room because you've got storage up here.
There, could you put all your
Yeah,
dryer sheets and whatever?
Your detergent and everything. It does have a backer up here for a TV, so if you use this as a bunk room, you can add a TV.
Well, I'd use it as a washroom and wash and fold my clothes and watch TV.
Exactly. I mean, it is just amazing. Then you have these 2 great windows here in the hall. Controls are going to be right here. Let's go up the stairs and check out this bathroom. And we don't even have to turn a light on in here, guys. I mean, this is coming through the skylights.
Wow.
Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. This is an Encore, so it's going to be a 48 by 30, 32?
32, I think so.
Yeah, so it's a 1-piece shower.
Wow.
We love Encore showers.
Love how they look. Hey.
Porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yes.
This is going to be the only place to put your towels. So if you like a great big linen closet, you might want to just remember that this is going to be it for in here. Let me come around. You do have a nice mirrored medicine cabinet. Now there's not solid surface in the bathroom, but this is a big sink and you've got lots of counter space. Your water heater control is over here. You do have some storage underneath. Now, because this one does not have a linen closet, it doesn't get the golden plunger. But we would give it half of a golden plunger.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an awesome bathroom aside from no linen closet. Moving into your main bedroom. Now this is where you can tell that you have 41 feet of camper.
Wow.
This is huge.
Let's start under the bed.
So you've got this king size bed.
Good night.
Great big storage underneath. Up here at the top, you're going to have power and USB and a shelf, and you have that on both sides. You also have individual lights on both sides.
Yes. And you know, something we strive to do in showing these campers, we at least try to make up the beds.
Yes, let's make the bed up. You are going to have an extra AC unit in here.
Oh my God.
And then you've got these closets. Wow.
Let me turn some lights on in here. There we go.
Yeah. So.
Oh my goodness. Let me just sit down.
On the right, you've got 2 hanging areas, upper and lower. If you really need to, you could remove that shelf and have a great big hanging area.
Because you know, in some of the other fifth wheel that we've toured, they had the
your washer
and dryer in here. Yes.
But that's in your middle
Oh
room.
my goodness, this is so cool.
Then you have this great closet that is all shelves. So that would be great if you like to fold things or bring your shoes. That would be me. I would have a closet full of shoes.
Yes.
Again, heating is in the floor in this. Now at the foot of the bed.
Oh.
Wow. Let me stand up here and back up so you can just take this all in. So, yeah. All the storage, hidden storage at the top. They even give you an electric fireplace in here. That's amazing.
Venture is really good about giving you 2.
Yes, they are. Now your TV will go up here if you want to add one. But now I've got to turn around so you can see what's behind me.
And There's another window back here too.
Oh yeah, there's. So you got lots of windows in here, lots of natural light. So at the front, you still have what I consider your traditional long storage. There's storage underneath this bench. Super, super nice. So if you have pets, this could be theirs, or if you like to sit and read, you can look out the front windshield.
Even grandkid could sleep here.
Yeah, I mean, if you had a small child that, wanted to stay with you, this is a great layout. This is just an amazing fifth wheel. And again, lots of windows. So you actually have these 3 windows here in the hall. These big windows at the back. So, hey, we want to hear what you guys think about this one.
All right, everybody. If you like this Venture Sporttrek fifth wheel, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us. Give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.